Your body is an electric machine, and it needs natural living foods to stay healthy. When you drink chia seed water the right way, you give your cells hydration, minerals, and balance. This is not magic. This is nature. Clean the gut, cleanse the blood, and the body begins to heal itself.
Seniors, if you've ever wondered what really happens inside your body when you drink chia seed water every single day, then stay right here, because what you're about to discover might genuinely shock you. Dr. Sebi believed that true healing begins in the gut, and chia seeds are one of the most powerful alkaline foods nature has given us. But here's the part most people don't know. Chia seed water can transform your digestion, energy, inflammation, and even your blood sugar, but only if it's taken the right way. In this video, we're going to uncover the hidden science behind chia seeds, the benefits Dr. Sebi warned us not to ignore, and the subtle mistakes many people make that can turn this healing drink into a problem. Stay with me, because the truth gets even more surprising. Chia seed water may look simple, but inside your body, it triggers a series of powerful changes that Dr. Sebi often connected with cleansing, alkalinity, and restoration. The moment those soaked seeds enter your stomach, they begin to expand and form a gel-like barrier that slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and gives your gut something it rarely gets: deep hydration and smooth movement. For seniors especially, this slow-release hydration is a blessing. As we age, our digestive tract becomes sluggish, our metabolism slows down, and our body struggles to process food as efficiently as before. Chia gel acts like a natural lubricant, helping your intestines move waste more easily while also feeding your gut with soluble fiber that supports healthy bowel movements. This is why so many people report relief from constipation, bloating, and gas after drinking chia seed water consistently. But digestion is just one part of the story. When chia enters your bloodstream, the omega-3 fatty acids begin doing something remarkable. They start fighting hidden inflammation that builds up silently with age. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest causes of joint pain, stiffness, fatigue, and even heart problems. Dr. Sebi emphasized that an alkaline, mucus-free body heals faster, and chia's anti-inflammatory power directly supports this concept. Its antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress, which is the silent damage caused by daily aging, pollution, unhealthy food, and stress. You know, seniors often notice better mobility, reduced swelling in their hands and feet, and just a lighter feeling in the joints after a few weeks of drinking chia seed water. This isn't magic. It's simply the body finally getting the nourishment it needs to restore balance. Another, honestly, pretty shocking benefit happens at the level of your blood sugar. Most people don't know this, but chia's gel actually slows down carbohydrate absorption and prevents those sudden glucose spikes after meals. For seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes, this can be incredibly powerful. Stabilized blood sugar means fewer cravings, fewer energy crashes, and, well, a healthier metabolic rhythm throughout the day. And because the seeds expand in your stomach, they help you feel full longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and supporting natural weight loss. You know, many people over 50 struggle with stubborn belly fat, and that's often due to a slower metabolism, hormonal changes, and even insulin resistance. Chia seed water, though, can help create a smoother environment inside your stomach, which allows your body to burn calories more efficiently. And when you pair chia seeds with Dr. Sebi's alkaline foods, a lot of folks report feeling lighter, seeing a reduction in waist size, and just having more stable energy overall. Speaking of energy, chia seed water actually has this special way of gently boosting it. Unlike caffeine, which gives you that quick burst followed by a crash, chia provides a more sustained, even energy throughout the day. This steady boost happens because chia slows down digestion. So, your body releases energy slowly instead of all at once. Seniors who feel tired, weak, or sluggish often notice improved alertness, better morning energy, and fewer afternoon crashes. And, this is exactly why athletes have been using chia seeds for centuries. They offer endurance without overstimulating the body. Dr. Sebi believed that real energy comes from proper hydration, clean blood, and an alkaline environment. And, chia supports all three. But there's something else happening behind the scenes, something most people don't realize. Chia seeds absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in water, which means they pull water deep into your cells, improving hydration at a cellular level. Proper hydration honestly improves skin elasticity, joint lubrication, kidney function, and overall detoxification. Seniors are more prone to dehydration because the thirst signal weakens with age. This creates issues like headaches, dry skin, poor digestion, muscle cramps, and even dizziness. With chia, water stays in the body longer, creating smoother digestion and improved circulation. Your skin may look brighter and softer because, hydrated cells just function better. Your stool becomes easier to pass, your organs work more efficiently, and your brain receives a steady flow of hydration that, supports mental clarity. Now let's talk about detoxification. Dr. Sebi always taught that mucus buildup, toxins, and waste trapped in the digestive tract create disease. Chia's soluble fiber binds to toxins and carries them out of the body. It acts like a gentle internal sponge, absorbing waste-old food residue chemicals from processed foods and heavy metals that settle in the gut over time. Many seniors who incorporate chia seed water into their daily routine report improved bowel regularity, less bloating, and a flat stomach feeling after just a few days. When your gut is clean, your immune system becomes stronger because nearly 70% of immunity lives in the digestive system. That means less sickness, fewer digestive struggles, and better long-term health. However, here's the part most people never talk about. Chia seed water can cause problems if used incorrectly. Dr. Sebi always emphasized preparation and proper usage. If you drink chia without soaking it thoroughly, it can expand in your throat or stomach and cause discomfort. If you drink too much at once, it may cause bloating or trapped gas. And if you don't drink enough water along with it, the seeds may absorb moisture from your gut and lead to constipation instead of relieving it. Most people also make the mistake of mixing chia with sugar-loaded drinks, flavored water, or processed juices. These combinations honestly weaken chia's natural benefits and create sugar spikes. The proper way to drink chia seed water is really simple. Soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for at least 30 minutes to 2 hours until they form a full gel. Seniors with sensitive digestion, may want to start with just half a tablespoon. Drinking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach can give you the best results for digestion, energy, and blood sugar, and drinking it before meals can help with weight loss. Dr. Sebi style combinations like adding key lime, alkaline herbs, or natural spring water can, really amplify the benefits even more. When chia seed water becomes a daily habit, something deeper begins to happen inside your body, far beyond just digestion, hydration, or inflammation relief. Your cells start operating in a cleaner, calmer, and more alkaline environment, which is exactly what Dr. Sebi was aiming for. He often said that disease cannot survive in a well-hydrated, alkaline, and oxygen-rich body, and this is where chia seeds silently begin their most powerful work. Once the gel-like fiber moves through your digestive system, the absorbed water and nutrients begin circulating through your bloodstream, helping, cleanse your blood and improve the flow of oxygen. Most people don't know this, but poor blood circulation is actually one of the biggest hidden problems after age 50. It leads to cold hands and feet, low energy, slow healing, numbness, leg cramps, and even poor memory. Chia's omega-3 fatty acids naturally thin the blood just a bit, improving flow and making it easier for your heart to pump oxygen throughout your body. And, over time, this gentle improvement in circulation can help you feel lighter, more energetic, and even more mentally alert. But chia seed water doesn't stop there. It also supports the kidneys and liver, two of the most important detox organs that often weaken with age. The soluble fiber in chia binds to toxins, cholesterol, and waste, helping your liver and kidneys filter the blood more efficiently. Many seniors start noticing less swelling in the legs and ankles because their kidneys release excess fluid more effectively. When waste leaves the body smoothly, your immune system becomes stronger because it's not overloaded with toxins. This is why, some people report fewer colds, fewer digestive infections, and just better overall resilience. Dr. Sebi always said that when the digestive tract is clean, the bloodstream becomes clean. And when the bloodstream is clean, the entire body begins to repair itself. Chia seed water really supports this process by giving your body the hydration and fiber it needs to move toxins out without stress. Another surprising benefit is what chia does to your skin and joints. Hydration at the cellular level helps reduce fine lines, dryness, dullness, and flaky skin. Seniors often feel their skin becoming tighter, more supple, and more nourished because hydrated cells regenerate faster. At the same time, the anti-inflammatory omega-3 fats help lubricate joints, reduce stiffness, and ease movement in the morning. Many seniors who struggle with arthritis, swelling, or just general body aches report feeling noticeably better after 2 to 3 weeks of drinking chia seed water. It's not a painkiller. It's simply helping reduce the inflammation that triggers pain in the first place. When your joints feel light and your digestion works smoothly, you naturally feel younger, healthier, and more capable. Your brain also benefits in ways you might not expect. As we age, mental clarity, memory, and focus start to decline. Mild forgetfulness, brain fog, and slow thinking become common. The omega-3 fats in chia help nourish brain cells and support better neural communication. This means your brain can think faster, recall information more easily, and stay sharp. Combined with steady hydration, this creates a smooth, calm mental state instead of the scattered, fatigued feeling many seniors experience. A hydrated brain performs better, and chia helps water reach those cells more effectively. Yet, the most important effect, something Dr. Sebi strongly believed in, is how chia supports the body's alkaline balance. Chia seeds, especially when soaked, help reduce acidity in the stomach and bloodstream. High acidity is linked to inflammation, poor digestion, fatigue, and many chronic illnesses. When your body becomes more alkaline, your cells can heal, your energy rises, and your digestion strengthens. Seniors who deal with acidity, gas, constipation, or discomfort after meals often feel relief because the gel-like chia forms a protective barrier inside the stomach. It slows down irritation, smooths digestion, and supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. A healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy immune system, and chia helps build that foundation gently. But none of these benefits happen by accident. The transformation depends on preparing chia the right way, drinking it consistently, and understanding how your body responds. If you're taking it for digestion, drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. If you're using it for weight loss, drink it 20 minutes before a meal to naturally reduce hunger. If you want better sleep or nighttime digestion, drink it 2 hours before bed. The key is slow, consistent nourishment, not overnight miracles. When taken the correct way, chia seed water becomes a daily ritual that supports your cells, blood, digestion, heart, skin, and energy. It's important to remember that while chia seed water is incredibly powerful, it isn't meant to replace a healthy diet. It works best alongside natural, alkaline-rich foods like fresh fruits, leafy greens, key limes, and clean spring water. Exactly the foods Dr. Sebi recommended. Think of chia as a tool that helps your body absorb nutrients better, release waste smoothly, and maintain healthy energy levels. Over time, this leads to a feeling many seniors describe as lightness, less heaviness in the stomach, less pressure in the joints, and a calmer mind. By now, you can see why so many people swear by chia seed water. It's simple, affordable, easy to prepare, and deeply nourishing. Whether you want better digestion, smoother bowel movements, more energy, or gentle detoxification, this single drink can support all of it. And when combined with an alkaline lifestyle, it becomes part of a powerful healing system that Dr. Sebi dedicated his life to teaching. So if you're ready to experience more clarity, less inflammation, smoother digestion, and a cleaner internal environment, start with 1 glass of chia seed water every day and let your body show you the results.